I'm going to tell you a little bit about this tuna. In Lebanon, they have a dish named tajin. And tajin, it's made with fish. You know, the fish, and then they bake it. They put it at the bottom, you're here. And then you put the tarator, what it's called, on top of it. And then they put the onions, and then they put the pine nuts. So I figured they cook it in the oven to warm it more or less. Isn't it, Abuna? Yeah, they warm it. So anyway, I made a dish that's easy for us, and everybody likes it. All different, from all over the countries, whoever, you know, they all like it. So here it is. It is tuna fish. It's albacore tuna that I used. And first, I'm gonna be making the tarator. This is what you call it, the tahini. Thank you. I need help sometimes.
What do you need?
This. Yeah. And with the tahini, to stay nice and white, I add a little bit of water to it. And this is, I think it is, the garlic and the salt.
It was a paste. It wasn't closed. It was already made into a paste.
Yeah, so yeah, it's gonna be a paste, and then I need the lemon juice. I don't know how much lemon it takes. I make more, so I put like 12. We'll see how much it takes. Okay. So you keep, that's very easy. You keep on very slowly, you know, mix them until it gets together. It becomes like, you'll see, very, like a sauce, more or less. And if it gets to the, I always taste. If it's salt, it's thick, and it has enough lemon, I add a little bit of water. And if it's thick and I have not enough lemon, instead of water, I add lemon, the lemon juice, to make it, you know, the taste I want. And you have all that information for the, you know, in your cookbook again, in your, see, it's thick. You see, yes? Now I have to taste it. No, wait, I'll do something else. Here. Yeah, no, I got it. Like this. I'm done.
I have a question.
Yes.
I know the tahini, how it separates in the jar.
Okay.
What's the best way
To do it?
Yes.
Okay, you could get it all out, put it in your processor, or you could sit, I just sat very slowly and I mixed the whole thing. But the processor is faster. You could, after you fix, you know, you take it apart like this. And you don't have to put it in the refrigerator. Yeah, put it in your pantry. A little bit of water. Oh, I have. Okay, thank you. I want it a little bit on the thin side. That way it will go all over. And you could use the tahini with fish if you are making fish, any kind of fish. I like it better than the tartar sauce, so I use that instead. You make it the same way. You have the recipe in front of you. For the fish, this is a, no, for that, it's a good, I like lemon. You know, you'd think it's sour, but on top of the tuna, it's gonna absorb, you know, so you need. Okay, this is done. And thank you. Wait. Okay. Then what we did before you start, we cut the onions, we cut them long like this. Okay, you cut it in half, and then you take and they cut them that way, very thin. Take them apart, put olive oil, and you fry them. It was this amount. I end up with this. Yeah, let me put this on first. So we made the onions, we made the tuna, the tahini sauce, the tartar, and now I'm gonna put it together. This is like 3 of those, the albacore tuna, 3 of them, solid white albacore tuna. You could make one. You know, for the house, I make one. Okay, and now I'm going to break it apart, you know, a little bit. We took out all the water, if you noticed. Okay. Any questions, please ask.
I want to have a question.
Yeah.
George, did your family make tuna tahini? Because a lot of people.
No, they made the fish, like I was talking before.
It's called samki hadra or hot.
Yeah, tajin, yeah.
Okay, because a lot of my Lebanese friends from other parts of the nation, they don't make it with tuna.
No, they do.
Make it with the actual fish.
You make the actual.
Yes, that's what I said at the beginning. Yeah, it's the actual fish. But this is the easy, yeah, this is easy. Your mom used to bring it. Now you reminded me, yes. Okay, this is all done. Okay, now I'm gonna pour, I think we put a lot. Wow, that was perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna take the onions. Yeah. This is the onions, and we're gonna put it all over. See how you brown them? It's brown, you know, completely brown.
Andre, how long did it take you to brown them?
Jean,
A long time. Slow, is that how you do very slow? Like 25 minutes?
yeah, it has to be on like medium at the beginning and slow at the end.
So they caramelize, and then you go over the caramelization so it works. Okay.
Till you get this color. We're gonna pass it around, you could see it. Yeah, it is. Okay, and those are the pine nuts that I get a pound. I'll get a pound of pine nuts. I put them in a flat, tray, and I brown them 350 degrees. Watch them. After 10 minutes, you should be done. And they're like this. And then I let them cool, put them in their bag again, and freeze them. That way, whenever I want, I'll just take like I did now.
And do you put butter on them?
Nothing. Dry. Yeah. In the oven. We're done.
But does it work? Yeah, walk around, show 'em.
Yeah, show 'em. Okay.